How to create a community on YouTube in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting, and easy. But before starting the video, make sure that you have liked the video and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So, first of all, you will have to open up the YouTube application. Now, once you're on this page, you will have to tap on that plus icon and then scroll this down. You can click on post, or you can simply go to your profile on the bottom right, then click on view channel. Now you'll have to go to the community section, and after that you'll have to click on that publish post option. Then you'll have to click on plus on the bottom, and now you'll have to go to the post section. Now you can type anything right here. That, for example, I will type how is your Monday, and you can add a image poll or text poll or anything. And once you are done with everything, simply have to click on the post option on the top right. And now you'll be able to see the post in the community section. Click on view, and now that's it. So that's how you can easily post a community on YouTube in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button.